Everything that we do, from our customer evaluations to the technology that we build to the roadmaps that we have, everything converges with one thing in mind, and that's to serve you, the customer.
Cherwell provides enterprise power without the cost and complexity.
I've got a system that I can customize with little training.
Never have to write a line of code and never need a developer level resource to touch the tool.
Having this portal and being able to integrate it with our existing SharePoint sites and being able to provide on-demand reports and searches.
Anything that you can conceive of that you need to automate and integrate, you can build.
Within days of receiving the product, it was plugged into our virtual environment.
It's a game changer.
Most of our competition, you'll find out, is built on old legacy technology.
Heat, BMC remedy, footprints, they've had to go back and reconstruct their product.
Companies will have 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 products that they're trying to support for the same space, and they try to position them as, well, this is for the low end, this is the mid-market, this is the enterprise. And when they go from one to the next, it's really a rip and replace.
We can get you up and running as quickly as possible, and yet you'll never outgrow us.
What really led us to go with Cherwell over ServiceNow was the concurrent licensing model, where we weren't getting nickeled and dimed by a lot of individual charges.
Whether you have it on-premise and bring it into our hosted environment, or take it from our hosted environment and bring it on-premise, it doesn't matter.
It's about people at Cherwell. It's in the relationships that we build.
At the end of the meeting, he turned to me and he says, "You guys have got the deal." And I said, "Well, why? What made the difference?" And he says, "It's the way Cherwell treated us."
We don't get it right every time. We listened, we identified the problem, and then we worked through the solution together.
You need to be worried about your legacy. Your legacy is based upon the tools and the people that you employ and how cost effective and what the quality is. So keeping this simple and not expensive and easy to maintain saves you a lot.